Hey guys, this is Jennifer and I'm back with TheWookie Natural, and I wanted to show you how I achieved this look. So that when you do see the speed up video after this, because I'll edit this into the other video, that you'll know what colors I put on where. So what I started off with, just to let you guys know, I already started off with my face. I already had foundation on, and foundation and all of that on already. So what I did was use my trusty eye primer first, and what this does is it extends the wear of your eyeshadow. So if you're going a whole day wearing your eyeshadow, if you want a more vibrant look, it will extend your wear. And what it does to do that is that the actual product is white, and so when you put it on your lid, it will give you a canvas, like a white canvas, and also it will prevent your makeup from getting the eye makeup from oiling up. So if you're like me, I have an oily eyelid, and so I use this to prevent the oiliness, and it does work. Okay, so the first color that I started off with, and I put it all on my lid, is this color. Now this color does not have a name. It's just, I'll call it warm pink shade 1 or shade 4, since if you go from left to right, this would be shade 4. And I use this on my lid, and then I followed up with this color in my crease. So I started off in my lid with this color, then I went to my crease. Then I put this down and I opened this one up, and I used, I did on the ball of my eye, like right on the ball of my eye, I used this color, which is color 3 on the palette, color 3 on the palette. And then I went to here and use this color, this cool pink shade 1 on my outer V, okay? And then I came here and used this color on my brow bone. Very simple, easy look. If you look on my TikTok, I have several looks with these two palettes. And of course you can get these palettes. If you, you can always get these palettes. Just DM me or let me know, or see your favorite Mary Kay consultant for these products if they're still available, because this was limited edition. Okay, so then I followed in with my magnetic lashes with my magnetic liner, and I used Mary Kay's volumizing brow tint for my brow, and I used Mary Kay's eye blending brush. These are the two brushes that I used to blend. This is what I use to apply, and this is what I use to blend. Okay, this is a new brush that they just came out with this year. So if you're like, where did you get that brush? It's new, okay? And then I followed up with, for my cheeks, we have two new highlighters that are limited edition. This Rose Sapphire, which I used a little bit there, and then I used the other one. I can find the other one that I used. I used both of them, but then the other one was a little too light, so I would stick with this. If you're my shade, I would stick with this rose one. And then I followed up with my palette by using my trusty Bulberry blush, and then my Copper Glow, and then I used a little bit of this along the jawline, and I used my Copper Glow up here. Okay, so that's basically what I did to achieve that look. So please stay and enjoy the video, and until next time,